So today I'm going to show you how to use the MEdelman Lever Press to cut discs. We are going to use this disc cutter with 20 gauge copper in here. I can cut 20 gauge steel in this as well. It takes a little bit more muscle, but it is completely doable. So in order to do this, we have removed the bottom tool holder and we are going to use 1/4 inch shim to start, and then we will add one more 1/4 inch shim to help push the punch through. We have the soft steel anvil in here, so when that makes contact with the hardened punch, this will take the damage and not the punch. I have switched this to the blue handle because this gives me a longer stroke, which is better for punching. It takes a little bit more work, more power than using the red handle, but it is just easier for me to do, at least. If you struggle with strength, the red handle is completely doable for a punch, but you have to finesse the shims a little bit more, and after the disc has been cut, you might need to bop out the punch with a hammer. So let's get this started. We are going to insert the punch, get it in there and lined up, and then give that just a good quick pull. And that punched right through. You saw the press move because my press is not mounted down. It's just on a wood stand. And so the disc punched and came out, and luckily the punch came through. If the punch didn't come through and was stuck, which happens sometimes, you put another shim down, and when it's in there, you just get it in, get it lined up, and you just push the rest of the way down, and that will normally get it unstuck. And that is how you use this press to cut discs.